There's Dan from auditing Erie County. Here's the pissed off cops.
Stop recording me.
There's no reason to be upset, sir.
I'm not upset. This is the way I talk. I'm aggressive talking.
You seem very upset. Is it just like a malfunction? Or
Looks like the alarm guys here.
Why are you all upset?
what do you say? He's talking to us?
Why are you all standing up filming the police? Why are you recording the police?
We come in peace. Is everything okay?
The alarm's going off. You all need to leave the property. You all, if you're not boss anything, you all need to get out. The store is closed, so you all must property.
Cross the street and come back.
Yeah, we could just film him from over there. So, he's being a little crybaby. He doesn't want us filming him. The Hey, what's wrong, man?
Someone breaking the law?
We saw the
alarm going off over there in the building, and we're trying to see if anybody breaking in the building. You all standing up over there recording.
Yeah.
We don't know if y'all were the one that went in the building or not.
You come talk to us. We were just curious too.
Okay. Stop recording me.
There's no reason to be upset, sir.
I'm not upset. This is the way I talk. I'm aggressive talking.
You seem very upset.
What's your name?
You seem very upset, and you.
Let me get your name. You just ran my plate. You're gonna have my name. You can know everything about me, my man. You can know everything about me. What's your name? I'll be over there filming you. I'll see you over there. I'll see you over there.
Hey, man. Hey, brother. Hey, dude. Can I talk to you just for 1 second? I come in Pete.
I understand. Y'all know they passed the law 25 feet back.
A federal judge in Baton Rouge is set to hear oral arguments this week in a challenge to a new state law that makes it a criminal offense to knowingly or intentionally come within 25 feet of a working police officer after being ordered or asked to step back. Attorneys representing 6 news organizations with a footprint across Louisiana are asking the judge to declare that the law violates the First and the 14th Amendments of the U.S. Constitution and to issue a preliminary injunction that stops the state from enforcing the law. But the attorneys for the state of Louisiana want to keep that law, and they're asking the federal judge to dismiss the case. The governor signed the 25-foot buffer bill into law in May. On July 31st, the day before the law was set to go into effect, a group of news organizations, including Verite News, who wrote this article, sued the Attorney General, the Superintendent of Louisiana State Police, and East Baton Rouge District Attorney to stop the law from being enforced. Lawmakers in Arizona and Indiana passed laws in 2022 and 2023 like this, but federal judges have blocked both from being enforced. These buffer laws are a trend that's cropping up across the country. and they seem to be an effort to get around the First Amendment right to document what police officers do in public. The law also violates the 14th Amendment by failing to uphold people's due process and equal protection rights because the language of the law is too vague. Now that all took place in December of 2024. Now in January of 2025, what do we have? The federal judge blocks enforcement of Louisiana Police buffer zone law. So this is January 31st, 2025. A federal district court in Louisiana has blocked the state from enforcing a law that makes it a crime to approach within 25 feet of a law enforcement officer after being told to stay back, concluding that the statute is unconstitutionally vague and allows for arbitrary and discriminatory enforcement. And so this was all blocked in January, and this video that you're watching now with me and Dan all takes place in July. And so not only was this law never actually in effect, but it is now officially blocked from ever being in effect. And so we ask, why is this officer, whose name we will find out at the end of the video, why is he citing a law that was never even a law to begin with?
Oh, all right. I'm not trying to start nothing, dude.
I'm not starting to start anything either.
I don't know why you got to be aggressive toward us.
I talk this way, okay, so don't think I'm mad. The line's going out, you all are there. We look back and we see y'all, we want to know, hey, what are you doing?
Yeah.
Who are you?
And we waved at you. I said, we come in peace.
Why we couldn't hear you?
Well, I mean, what do you expect me to do then?
We couldn't hear you. Leave the property, like I say, leave.
You asked me a question and I answered you. You asked me a question over the loudspeaker.
What question did I ask
You said, why are you standing there?
Right, and I couldn't hear you.
And then, so then why are you going to ask me something where you can't even hear me? So then that's not my fault.
Okay.
So then you got mad at me because you couldn't hear me?
We're not into this. I'm not into this recording
Dude,
stuff, sir. So
I have a lot of good cop friends. No one getting, like, the only reason that you're getting mad at me is because you're not a good cop, dude.
nobody's mad at you.
We were just seeing what was going on and you're freaking out, dude. You're making your department look bad.
What's going on?
You're making your department look bad, sir. VP-13, have a good day. There's Dan from Auditing Erie County. Here's the pissed off cops. That dude has issues. That dude has issues. I was trying to just tell him, like, chill out, and he just could not handle himself. He could not handle his ego.
Is just fucking eating him up right now.
He hates
I
it.
have nothing. I'm getting nothing out of it, but eventually he's gonna lose it again.
We should go file a complaint on him tomorrow for being rude.
I
Yeah.
was at the station yesterday.
Being rude, chasing us down, getting your tag number as a way to intimidate us because we were recording a clear
Don't be recording the police.
clear disturbance. We can't record the
The
police.
patrol guy probably tells them not to tell us not to record. Most do.
Well, I guarantee you it says in their policy that they got, they have to act a certain way. They can't be out here being assholes. And then to chase us down and record and get your plates. Have a better day, sir. Dude, he lost his shit so fast that he had to come over there and block us in and get your tags.
Dude thought he was gonna be pretty shit too. He thought we were gonna...
Because we were recording. Dude, we're in the middle of town and there's a siren going off.
What's my name? Say my name!
So we're at the gas station next to where the siren's going off and we just go check out the freaking siren and he freaks out, can't handle it.
You know why they left?
Why?
Those tags finally came back of who I was and what was going on here, and they realized that not a good look.
They just made their whole department look like trash. That's how they treat people.
I love this Tyranny ass too. He said, "Don't you film the police? I'll be over here filming the police."
Yeah, don't you film the police, he said. He did mention a new statute that they passed where you have to stay 25 feet back. Now, I'm not aware of that in Mississippi, so...
Yeah, we're in Louisiana.
Or Louisiana, sorry.
Say something about that?
Yeah. And so I just took his word for it. I didn't want to find out that he was lying the hard way or whatever, or that he was right the hard way. By the time you see this video, I'll have looked it up and put it on the screen if in fact. But I did step back because I didn't want to fuck around.
I wouldn't stop that. I'd be challenging that.
I didn't go 25 feet, but I took a couple steps. Dude, he seems like the type that he'll just take me to jail, and then even if I went in court, I still went to friggin' jail over. Are you allowed to say on YouTube?
Vidalia Police.
Hello. I was wondering, I'm trying to get the name of an officer. If there was, like, could I send you an email with a picture of this officer and you reply with his name?
Sure.
Awesome. What's an email I can send it to?
Hold on one moment.
Okay.
The person at extension 3006 is unavailable. Please leave your message after the tone. Vidalia Police.
Hello. I think you accidentally transferred me to somebody that wasn't in their office.
Okay, hold one moment.
Jeez.
The person at extension 3006 is unavailable.
All right, one more time.
Vidalia Police.
I guess nobody wants to talk to me,
Okay.
but I do have one question. I do have one question.
It's not that don't nobody want to talk to you. I am just in the front part. I'm sending you to somebody who can give you an email to send the information to. What's your name and callback number? I'll give it to you to the patrol captain.
Is there just an email I could send this request to? So part of the reason I'm asking is because this officer was very aggressive for no reason.
Okay.
And so the last thing I want to do is start giving you my name and all my information. That way you can go give it to him, you know?
How would I give it to somebody? I don't know who you're speaking about.
Well, whenever
I don't even know who you're talking about.
So,
hold on, let me tell you.
Well,
Hold on.
I have a quick question for you. Gosh, dang it, dude.
Captain Watts, may I help you?
Hey, Captain. I just had a question. I was in Louisiana last month, and there was an officer that was pretty aggressive for no reason, and I was just actually trying to get his name because he wouldn't tell me his name. If I sent you a picture of him, could you just tell me what his name is?
Sure.
Cool. What's the email?
J. Watts, W-A-T-T-S.
Yeah.
Shoot me an email and of the photo and stuff, and I'll let you know who he is.
Awesome, man. I appreciate that.
Ain't no problem at all, my friend.
I'll send it to you in a second. All right, thanks, sir.
Yes, sir. All right, bye-bye.
Let's see if he actually does it.